Hey Glam Dolls, I'm here today to share with you this denim blued eye look that I created using Amuse Cosmetics. And if you want to see more on how I actually achieved this look, then just keep watching the video. So here is the palette. It's by Amuse Cosmetics and it was only $1. I keep telling you all, stop sleeping Shopmissa for the affordable cosmetics. Anyway, we're going to get this video rolling. I'm going to start out by priming the entire mobile area of my eye, and with the warmth of my fingertips I'm going to take this primer and blend it all the way up towards my brow bone. Then I'll be using my LA Colors bronzer in deep tan. I'm going to pop that directly in my crease as well as over the entire mobile area of the eye. This is what's going to help warm my eye up and separate the brow from the crease color. So here is my NYX Skin Tone eyeshadow base. I've got addicted into using eyeshadow bases lately. I haven't been doing it before, but ever since I've been using eyeshadow base, my eyeshadows have been looking that much better. So with the warmth of my fingertips, I'm just patting this on the entire mobile area of the eye, and I'm going to take this first blue color in the palette and pop that directly in the crease and begin blending that in a windshield type motion, being sure to keep it only in the crease. I don't want to blend up towards the brow bone. I want to keep it nice and low, only in my crease. So now I'm going to take my flat shader brush in the same color that I just blended into the crease. I'm now going to pat this color all over the entire mobile area of my eye. Again, I'm using a flat shader brush and I'm just going to pick up the same color that I blended into the crease and pat it on the entire mobile area of the eye. So I'm going to take now the lighter color and focus that in on the center of my eye. This is what's going to help open up my eyes with reflective light and bring some light into the eyes. And I'm just using a flat shader brush, and I'm going to take a little bit of this black. You're going to do a little bit at a time. Focus that in heavy on the outer V and then drag it up slightly into the crease. I'm really focusing in on the outer V to start creating definition and the smokiness. So here's my Fenty palette. Now you know I'm a glitter girl at heart. Come on now. So I'm going to really kick it up a notch by taking these two glittered pigment colors and put it over the center area of my eye, and look at that much better. This is really opening up the eye with reflective light and not letting it be so overwhelming with the denim blue look. So with my fingertips, I'm just patting that on the center area of my eye. So off camera, I did the false eyelashes and wing liner, and here I'm just blending in my foundation to pull the whole look together. I know you're seeing those white dots over on the side of my eyes. I've been seeing a few girls do that during the Halloween pictures I've seen on Instagram. So I was like, let me give it a try. But back to this, I'm highlighting underneath the areas of my eyes. And now I'm using my e.l.f. Cosmetics Cream Contour and putting that along the perimeters of my face. And with a silicone beauty blender, here is where I blend out that highlight and blend out that contour. Using the silicone beauty blender has been a godsend, and it definitely helps save me on products. So here's another beauty on a budget. These two liquid highlighters I got from my local Dollar Tree. They were $1 a piece, and I mix the two together and tap it gently on the high points area of my cheeks, and look at that. Look at that glow. Look at that glow. How gorgeous is this liquid highlighter by LA Colors Cosmetics, sold in your local Dollar Tree. So I'm highlighting the cheekbone areas of my face. And now I'm not much of a blush wearer, honestly. I mean, I don't really wear blush, so a little bit of this is definitely going to go a long way for me. Just putting it on the apples of my cheeks. And yeah, because I don't really wear blush. So once I finish doing that, I'm now going to show you how I achieve those white dots. So I'm just taking my hairpin, dabbing it on the white liquid eyeshadow and just poking it on my face, and voila. I've seen like quite a few people on Instagram during Halloween creating these white dots, and I thought it was super cute and very unique, so I was just giving it a try. I don't even know if I'm gonna do it again. So I'm just moisturizing my lips, and voila, this is now my full completed look. I'm just adding some lipstick, and then I'm gonna top it with a little bit of lip gloss. And yeah, $1 created this gorgeous denim blue eye look. Dolls, if you have yet to visit the shopmissa.com website, you need to get this Amuse Cosmetics palette. As you can see, it's not chalky when applied, and I'm liking what I'm seeing. So that's it. This concludes the video. Thank you for taking the time to watch, and I will see you in another one again shortly. Later, dolls.